kiss for you.
Hello guys, this time I will show you how you make a saw table for a jigsaw. The parts that you need are a wooden chair, a jigsaw, tie ribs and a drill. I first saw the backrest of it. Then I make a hole where the saw can go through. Then I make 6 holes where the tie ribs can go through. Then I put a tie rib on the button so the jigsaw stays running all the time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.